Good day, everyone. Welcome to Enough Power TV. I've been thinking. Since we are still on the series of exploring different scenarios in people and going into people's life and seeing what I would actually do. I mean, if I was in their situation, in order to for them to make financial sense or financial decisions that are actually going to change their lives. Um, Today, I just want to talk to people who are earning um, what do you call it? A 350 social grant. Um, Come to think of it, guys, 350 is not a lot of money. It's a lot of money, but if it if it's inside the hand of someone who thinks, it can actually go a long way. A few months ago, I met a group of guys. I think the guys on their 30s and some in their 40s. These guys, they are not working. They're always at home. They don't have anything to do, so they applied the social grant. So they went to the post station to the guys. There are 10 guys. They went to a post office to collect their money there. So everyone has 350, 350, 350 is 10 of them. So in other words, they have 3,500 rand. What these guys did, it it freaked me out. It freaked me out in a big way. These guys, they started going to the tavern, and then they bought alcohol with that money. While I sit there, and I was thinking to myself, if I was these guys, what I would do. You see, this is the money that you do not work for. You do not sweat to get this money. You just applied, you told the government you're not working, you're struggling, and the government gave you 350 rand. So what if from the 10 of us, we go and get the social grant, and then this money is gonna be 3.5, and then from this 3.5, from the first month of January, we take 3.5, we go to the wholesalers, we buy things with the 3,500. Let's say you open a deck. People from AKC, they understand a deck. What is a deck? A deck is it's like it's a combination of small goods like zimbas, apples, bananas. So it's something like an informal what spaza shop. You can open this at any corner, wherever you see there are many people. So what if from the 10 of us, with 3,500 rand, we start our own informal crowdfunding. So what we do is that from the 3.5 that we have been given, because we are not working, we take all of it. Don't think about food, because how did you have food before you get the 350? So this money is not your money. Pretend as if you do not have this money. So you take 3.5, you go La Stoka, you buy apples in bulk, you buy simbas and chips in bulk, all the small things that you can purchase with 1 rand. So what do? We establish a deck, kokasi, and then we buy a table, we put that at the corner somewhere. The first guy owned that deck. So for the remainder of the month, all of us are going to be marketing that business. The 10 of us are going to be marketing that business, so that Everybody in our neighborhoods and in social media, in TikTok, they know about our shop. The next month we do the same thing again. We use the same 3 point. We say we use the 3.5 to establish another deck, to establish another deck for the third guy, fourth guy, fifth guy, seventh guy, ninth, until all of us have managed to own a deck. So what we do after you have established the business, then you start to read books on how to grow this business into a multi-million-dollar business. From the space where you are, you start to change your mindset. That's when you'll be watching videos like Enough Power TV for you, so that you can be empowered, so that you can follow a beginner's guide to the financial freedom. So guys, if you found any value in this video, you know what to do. Please like, share, subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.